నా తెలుగు ఫ్యామిలీ ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? అందరూ బాగున్నారా? Every time I come here, I feel like I'm truly blessed. I always see the purest form of love, always when I'm here, when I touch down and I come to Hyderabad. And it's been 28 years, and that has never changed for me. Thank you for making me feel so blessed. I'm really grateful for all this unconditional love. నాకు తెలుగు అంత బాగా తెలియదు, తెలియకపోవచ్చు, కానీ తెలుగు వాళ్ళ మనస్సు బాగా తెలుసు. So this has been a long time challenge for me to master my Telugu, but Venki, our film, we are going to make it more perfect. So this has been a beautiful journey. I had to start with Supriya Garu. Even before Kaka Kaka, even before Gajini, we have a beautiful friendship. I think to join hands with Annapurna Studios is a big honor for us. Really honored to join hands, and thank you for this beautiful promotion and the release for our film here. I hope everybody sees lots of happiness, lots of peace, a lot of satisfaction with this film. And Raki, thank you for all the love. You've always been giving a lot of support, a lot of love. And first, content, Telugu content, when it comes, I always call you and ask you, how you feel and how you liked it. And you've always given me a lot of good feedback. So I'm hoping the same happens in this film, and hoping everybody loves it in the theaters. And Shastri Garu and Shyam Garu, thank you so much for all the love, and everybody's saying the music and the sounding is even more better and even more beautiful in Telugu. It means a lot. So our film with our director R.J. Balaji Garu, I call him director always. I have lot of respect for his journey, the way you saw it on screen. I really respect his journey. I always say I can be only one person in a lifetime. I can be passionate to one profession, and I try to master it and try to be decent in that. But he has been multi-talented, been an RJ, been a commentator for IPL for the last 20 years. He's been this actor. He's tried writing and been a director. And he's an amazing friend, an amazing dad, an amazing, a team leader also. So I really liked spending time with him. He always gets it right. Because of his true emotion, he gets it right. Be it his laughter, be it emotion, he is very sincere and very honest. In fact, in the last few years, we immediately said, okay, let's go ahead with this film in the first half an hour of the meeting. Something about the meeting, I think Veerabhadra Garu was, I think Karpusamy was there in the room is what I keep telling him. We all manifest. I really want to share this. Wherever there is faith, wherever there is hope, magic happens. So he believes in that. I also am a God-fearing person, but only when there is crisis, I go to the temple. Only when there is real problem, I go, Sami, kapathu, idadu pannu, and solluven. But R.J. Balaji, in his everyday life, every moment, every decision making, every time, he's always having this hotline connected with God. He's always talking to him. He's always communicating with him. He's always in touch with him. And every decision, he truly believes in that and he makes. So his core emotion is very sincere and very honest when it comes to God-fearing things. So I think this script is in the right hands. And that's how he's making justice. That's how he's making it look more sincere. But again, I promise you, first half will be a nice emotional courtroom drama. Kani, second half, full theatrical moments, full mass masala moments, full humor, full fun will be there. And that's the promise I think we can give you before the movie's release. This is a May 14th release. I really enjoyed working in this film. Quickly, I have to thank my technicians because it was a joint effort. RJ Balaji and GK Vishnu, I think they made me look a little different from my recent films. They purposely took a lot of love, admiration, and a lot of care to make this look this way. So my honest and sincere thanks to RJ Balaji and GK Vishnu for making all the effort and showing me this way. With Trisha, after 23 years, we are making this film, and it was lovely working with her. And again, we have Indran sir, who's a fantastic actor from Malayalam industry, and we have great actors making this whole world more believable. Vikram Garu, thank you so much for all the lovely action sequences. Enjoyed working with you, sir. And Shobhi Master. We had a great team to make this film look very, very special. So everybody's honest and sincere effort is definitely there. And this promotion again made me feel very, very good. This presentation also was like a script. So thank you to the entire team for, again, making all of us recollect our memories. RJ Balaji's presentation was very special. My presentation was very, very special. So promising you another good entertainer on May 14th. And like Venki said, very soon we will be coming with Vishwanathan and Sons. And yeah, as always, me Ashishlu Kavali, me Prema Kavali. And yes, thank you for not making us feel like guests, and will always be the adopted sons. Me and my brother will always stay true and will always be thankful. My love to all of you for taking time and coming here. My love and respects to all the media people here, to all the photographers and journalists this evening. Need your support, need your love for May 14th. Can you understand? Dialogue. We'll meet soon with more interactions. But thank you so much for the love. Thank you for coming. Please take care. Paathu veetuku ponga. Jagradaga.
And Surya garni vedik meede undavalsinదిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. రిక్వెస్టింగ్ కార్తీ గారు టు ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్. ఒక్కసారి